is used as a financial tool. So in case of new services or they are going to provide or a new product they are going to produce, so if they are going to produce a new product, to know that what is the profitability of that particular new service or product, the companies will be applying this financial tool, and they are going to identify whether the company will gain or not by introducing the new product into the market. For that purpose, this break-even analysis you can use. So yeah, we can say that it is a financial calculation also, because you are going to apply certain formulas and you are going to find out what is the minimum number of products that the company needs to sell in the market, and to know that where all the fixed costs are covered, what is the point that will be covering. Point means here what is the minimum sales that the company needs to sell, products that should be sold by the company to cover their fixed costs. Already fixed costs, while discussing about the cost concepts, we have discussed about that in detail. No? So I am not going to discuss again here. So all the fixed costs are covered or not. To know that, this break-even analysis will be utilized by the company management. And then only they will be introducing the new product or service which they want to introduce. So this situation will help the company that they are in gain or they are in losing position by applying by introducing their products. And this will be helping you to find out the relationship between the different types of costs like variable cost and fixed cost. How these both are related. Because without total cost, we are not going to fix the price of the price of the product. No? So for that, it is compulsory that you have to identify what is the relationship between this total cost and the total revenues. So revenue is nothing but the earnings and the costs are nothing but the expenditures. So if there is any change in cost, how this earnings are going to affect. That relation you need to identify. For that break-even analysis you can use. And not only that, if you find out the break-even point, you can easily identify that what is the minimum quantity of sales you have to do in the market so that you will be in profits. If it is less than that point, automatically you can identify that this company is entering into the losses. So for that sake, you have to concentrate on this. So when you are going to use this break-even analysis is in 3 different situations you are going to use. One, it is when you are going to start a new business, or sometimes already if you are in doing business and existing in the market, you are producing some other products and you want to produce a new product, add a new product to your business. So in such situation also you are going to use this break-even analysis. And sometimes the business people will be entering into the new business models also. New business models means nothing but entering into new businesses along with the existing one, or leaving the existing one and entering into the new one. So like that, the situations may be there where business people will be changing their business model. So in such situations also you can use this break-even analysis. I am not going in detail about explaining about all these things. Let us see what are the benefits of this. benefits of break-even analysis. How this will be benefiting means whenever you are going to spend any expenditure and you are going to miss that, that can be identified here. That is the main benefit, because you are going to um, uh, write each and every expenditure on a paper uh, to identify what are the fixed costs and to identify what are the variable costs. Automatically, whichever is missing orally, so that you can easily identify which is missing. So every day, day to day, you are going to note it down. So you cannot miss any expenditure. No? So like that you can catch the missing expenses. That is one benefit, and you can set your targets also. How much you have to earn? What is the amount that you have to earn by selling these products? So for that you can utilize this. So that benefit will be given by this break-even analysis if you apply, and you are going to get set smarter decisions also, because you are having targets. You are going to identify the missing expenses. So automatically your decision making will be good based on the identification of the break-even point. You will be alert, and decision making will be become smarter. And whenever you start a new business or a new product to be produced, you need certain funds, So you can easily identify how much extra fund you require to run the business. So if you are going to identify that, automatically you will concentrate what are the sources that are available to purchase this, to borrow the funds. So for that benefit will be provided by the this analysis. And along with this, any business person, he is going to fix the price of the product. How to fix the price of the product and what is the better price, that can be decided. To decide that also you can use this analysis. How it is utilized, how you are going to fix the better price, that we will see in detail in the coming topics. We will solve a problem also. And this analysis will help you to identify whether all the fixed costs that you are going to incur during your business are covered or not. So once you are going to reach the break-even point, then automatically all your fixed costs will be covered. So that indication will be given by this. So automatically you can be somewhat relaxed that the company is not in losses, not going to face the losses. So that is how the benefits of the break-even analysis will be there for any business person. And what are the different points where you are going to use this break-even analysis? What are the useful areas, reasons where you are going to apply this? So it is going to help you in determining the unused capacity of your machinery or any factors of production. So that can be identified, and you are going to know the maximum profit that the company is going to earn by introducing any product or service. Maximum how much, to what extent level, or to what level you can reach, that can be identified. And you are going to identify if there is change in the fixed cost or variable cost or both. So how this is going to show its impact on the profit, that you can easily determine that. So which will be helping you that whether the profits are going to be reduced by these changes in fixed costs or not, or variable cost or not, or how, whether it is a positive effect or whether it is a negative effect on profits, these changes are taking place. And it helps you to identify what is the change in profits if you are going to bring change in the price of the product. Either it may be increase in price or decrease in price of the product. So if that decision you are going to implement change in the price of the product, how this is going to affect on profits. So that to identify that you can use this analysis, and it is also going to help you to identify what are the losses that you need to bear in case of any sales are reduced in any bad situation of sales when the demand is going to be reduced. So how much loss you need to bear, that you can identify. So all these are the areas where you are going to this will be helping you. Break-even analysis will be helping you, and this is also useful to you to find out what is the overall ability of the business, whether it is going to generate a profit or a loss. If it is a loss, how much loss? If it is a profit, how much a profit the company is going to earn. So that can be identified. And you are going to identify what is the maximum sales that you require. So to be in profits, or to be in, if you are in losses, what is the sales level that is making you to be in losses. So all these are the different reasons where you can apply this break-even analysis, and this will help the management to take that responsibility of identifying this break-even point regularly, so that they can easily identify it and they can reduce their break-even point. Reducing break-even point means if sales are going to be reduced, still company is entering into the profits, because this will be helping you that breaking the profits and losses. No? So how less this break-even point is, that much of benefit to the company. So for that sake, you have to be careful as a management. So that responsibility should be taken over by this higher authorities by regular monitoring of this break-even analysis.